tagliatelle now, and Valia just explained that for the tagliatelle, it's important to use the 00 flour, and for every kilo, which is about 2 pounds of flour, you use 8 eggs. So we're doing that now. They made a well in the center of the flour. It's important to blend the eggs now. We're blending the eggs with a fork. And then once the eggs are blended, she will start mixing in all the flour so that slowly it will start to form a pasta, a dough. The most beautiful work is making it now into a real pasta, a real dough. And it takes time to make a beautiful pasta, but it's well worth it. When you eat the pasta, you will be happy that you spent all the time to do this. So it does take a little more time, but it's well worth it.
That's why we do just on Sunday.
Yes, yes, yes. Now, once it was more usual to do this a few times during the week, but now everyone does this usually just on Sundays because it does take time and not everyone has the time to do every day of the week. So she's rolling the pasta dough. It was rolled out till it was very, very thin and a big, big round shape. This again is the dough for the tagliatelle. Now she rolled up each side a little bit at a time because now she's getting ready to cut the dough into the form of tagliatelle. And she dried the dough with a dusting of semolina flour. Semolina flour, Valia told me, does not go into the pasta, so it doesn't change the structure of the pasta. It just dries out the dough so you can cook it, and it doesn't become mushy. It will cook al dente. So now she's going to cut the dough.
Perfetto, andiamo.
Here we go. We're going to, the tagliatelle, she's going to top it with, we're going to do a sauce crudo, which is very healthy for you. It's the time of the year now when you can find fresh tomatoes here, fresh basil. So we're going to do a fresh sauce, not cook it, an uncooked sauce. And all the flavors will be very distinctive. The fresh tomatoes, the fresh basil, the olio, which is garlic, the locally produced olive oil that they produce here in Umbria. Even though the sauce is raw, it's crudo, she told me that in order for the sauce to really go into the pasta, she has to warm up the sauce just a little bit, and with the cooked pasta, she will toss the pasta in the sauce just for a little bit so that the flavors of the sauce will go into the pasta. Oh, I can eat this now. This looks wonderful.
Now is it true?
Yes, okay. Suppose I have to put on my glasses.
Don't cut it.
Yes, please. Oh, the dough is wonderful. Nice and dry from the semolina also, so it cuts wonderfully. Okay, just do this. Perfetto, perfetto tagliatelle.